Hi, this is Proton S16 2010 model. Um I don't know, there is a starting problem. Petrol is there, the battery was all good. I called in road assistance. He checked the battery. He said the battery is good. He tried to give a jump start as well, even if his instrument is not working. And he said that even with the jump start, the vehicle is not starting. It's something to do got to do with some small electrical thing, and he's not a qualified electrician, auto electrician, so he couldn't repair it. But I'll show you what's happening when I'm trying to give an ignition. Let me just take you inside the car. So if I try and give right away a kick, ignition, and try to start, uh, you just see what happens. I can show it another time as well from outside. Okay, the engine reacted. It almost started. At the end moment when it has to fire, it is not firing. So these are the lights which are on, and there is petrol, and there's nothing wrong with the battery as per the person who came from the roadside assistance. Let me show you what happens outside when I try to give the ignition. Can you hold it for me like this? Like this probably. I'm giving the ignition. So the engine is not reacting because it has to reset. I have to wait for 1 minute for the electrical system to reset. So like when it was trying to react to me at the first time, it is not reacting now. So after a 1 minute, again I will try and give the ignition. That time it will try to start. Now it is not reacting anything. It's just making a noise. I'll just give another 30 seconds time. Then I'll go and try to give the ignition again. Okay, the 1 minute is over. I'll try and give a kick again, ignition. Let's see how it reacts.
और एक बार करो।
नहीं करने होता है, और एक बार. Okay, this is what happens. So if again if I have to give another kickstart, I need to wait for another 1 minute for it to reset. Otherwise I need to open this, remove the wire, again connect it back, then it resets itself. Then I can, without waiting for 1 minute, I can again try and kickstart. It will try to the engine will try to react. Otherwise, if I do it now for the second time without waiting for it to reset, it will not react at all. It just makes some kind of noise which it made. That's the problem with my car. They said it's a small electrical thing somewhere. It's just breaking off right at the end when it has to kick the fire. So I don't know what the problem is. See if you could resolve. Thank you.